Okay, today we're going to demonstrate how to put together an IBSO nozzle. First you get this guy here. You put the bigger O-ring inside here. Okay, once it's inside, you get this guy. You put the smallest O-ring here at the tip. And then you get the medium ones and put it here. Okay. Now we get the cylinder. Okay, this was already in here. Okay. This is a lock nut. It's supposed to go here. We get this guy and we put it here. And this is gonna act as a lock nut. Okay, then we put this guy together here. This is gonna regulate how you put it. And this is the lock nut. Okay, and we slide the joint tube. There you go. You can just regulate this piece here. Then once you have it in position, you tighten. There you go. Then put this guy here. Then your elbow. Okay, then put the final piece here. Okay. Once the nozzle is assembled, you have to test to make sure it's closing properly at the tip here. So you put air through here, and then as we can see, it's not flush. So the way you fix that and regulate that is you take it apart. You take it apart again, and then you have to regulate here with the lock nut. So if this piece was further down, then you have to move it up a little bit to make it flush. See how it moved? And then once you moved it up X amount, then you lock it here. Make sure you lock the nut here, and then you put the piece back.